Hey guys, in this video, we're going to be checking out the top 5 best portable propane fire pits available on the market for their true quality. Whether you're planning a backyard gathering, a camping trip, or just want to enjoy a cozy evening on your patio, we've got you covered. You can find the product links in the description below. So let's get started with the video. Kicking off our countdown, at number 5 is the Gasbra Outdoor Portable Propane Fire Pit. This budget-friendly option offers a clean, smokeless flame with an impressive heat output of 60,000 BTUs, making it perfect for camping trips, tailgating, or backyard gatherings. The included lockable lid and handle make it easy to carry, while its rainproof and rust-resistant design ensures durability in various weather conditions. The build quality is solid for its price, with a lightweight metal construction that's easy to maneuver. At just 18.7 pounds, it's incredibly portable. The 19-inch diameter is compact, yet sufficient for small to medium-sized groups, and the 10-foot braided stainless steel hose allows you to keep your propane tank safely out of the way. However, the lack of premium materials like stainless steel in the burner and fittings may impact its long-term durability. In terms of value, this fire pit is an excellent choice for those on a tight budget or occasional users. It's CSA approved, meaning it's safe to use during most campfire bans, and the 4.8-pound natural lava rock set enhances the flame's flickering effect. While it doesn't come with extra features like auto ignition or adjustable flame height, it gets the job done at a highly competitive price. If you're looking for affordability and portability, the Gasbra Fire Pit is worth considering. Pros include its lightweight design and affordability, while cons include its basic feature set and slightly lower durability. At number 4, we have the CA's Large Propane Fire Pit, a versatile and portable option that offers a bit more functionality. With a 58,000 BTU heat output, it provides ample warmth for outdoor gatherings. One standout feature is the included cast iron grate, which allows you to heat food or liquids, a unique bonus for campers or outdoor chefs. Note that it's not suitable for direct cooking, so you'll need pots or pans. The design is thoughtfully engineered for portability, with foldable legs and a compact size of 19 by 8 inches when folded. It also comes with a carry strap, propane tank holder, and hose hooks for easy storage and transport. The piezoelectric ignition system ensures a reliable start without the need for batteries. The fire pit includes a 10-foot pre-assembled gas hose and a cover, making it a complete outdoor fire kit. Where this fire pit shines is its value for money. At just $119.99, it's one of the most feature-packed models in its price range. However, the build quality, while decent, may not match higher-end models for longevity. It's ideal for those who want an affordable, portable fire pit with added cooking capabilities. Pros include the versatile grate and portability, while cons are its lower build durability and the need for extra care when transporting. Coming in at number 3 is the Flame King Smokeless Propane Fire Pit, a premium option for those who prioritize convenience and performance. With its 24-inch diameter and a heat output of 58,000 BTUs, this fire pit is designed to provide warmth and a cozy ambiance for larger groups. One of its standout features is the self-igniting piezo system, which eliminates the need for a lighter and ensures a hassle-free start every time. The build quality is excellent, with durable steel coated in enamel for long-lasting use. It comes with a UV and weather-resistant cover, a propane tank stabilizer ring, and carry straps for easier portability. The 10-foot pre-attached hose keeps your propane tank safely out of sight, and the included natural lava rocks enhance the flickering flame effect beautifully. At 27.3 pounds, it's a bit heavier, but the added weight contributes to its sturdy feel. This fire pit is perfect for outdoor enthusiasts who want a reliable, easy-to-use fire pit that's built to last. However, it's priced on the higher end, which may not suit budget-conscious buyers. Pros include its self-ignition system and robust build, while cons are its higher price and slightly reduced portability due to its weight. In the runner-up spot, we have the Outland Living Portable Propane Fire Pit, a fantastic mid-range option with a stellar reputation. This 19-inch fire pit offers a heat output of 58,000 BTUs and delivers a clean, smokeless flame, making it perfect for camping trips, RV adventures, and backyard gatherings. It's CSA approved for safe use during most campfire bans. The design is compact and lightweight, weighing just 23 pounds, and it comes with a carry kit that includes a pre-attached 10-foot propane hose. The durable steel construction with a protective enamel finish ensures long-term reliability, while the natural lava rocks enhance the visual appeal of the flame. The adjustable regulator allows you to customize the flame height to suit your preference. This fire pit strikes a great balance between price, portability, and performance. It's an ideal choice for anyone looking for a high-quality fire pit without breaking the bank. Pros include its excellent build quality and portability, while cons are the manual ignition system, which might not be as convenient as auto ignition. Finally, taking the top spot is the Outland Living Firebowl Smokeless Fire Pit, a 24-inch premium propane fire pit that's perfect for outdoor enthusiasts who want the best of the best. With a 58,000 BTU heat output, it provides ample warmth and ambiance for larger gatherings. Its no-mess, smokeless design ensures a hassle-free experience without ash or smoke, making it perfect for patios, camping trips, and tailgating events. The build quality is outstanding, with high-quality alloy steel construction and a polished enamel finish for enhanced durability. It comes with a 6.6-pound natural lava rock set, a UV and weather-resistant cover, and a 10-foot pre-attached hose for convenience. The adjustable flame height and manual ignition give you complete control over your fire pit experience. While it's the most expensive option on our list, the Outland Living Firebowl justifies its price with exceptional build quality, performance, and features. It's the ultimate choice for anyone who wants a reliable, high-performing fire pit that looks great and works flawlessly. Pros include its premium build and large size, while cons are its higher price and heavier weight at 34 pounds. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video and found it helpful in choosing the perfect portable propane fire pit for your needs. If you liked this video, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth reviews. If you have any questions about these products, leave a comment below, and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. See you in the next video.